Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Life is a journey filled with tests and trials. Allah reminds us in the code. Do people think that they will be left alone because they say, we believe and will not be tested? Surah Al-Kabut 29:02. Every hardship we face in life is a means of drawing closer to Allah, strengthening our faith and purifying our hearts. But how do we cope with these difficulties in a way that brings us peace and rewards? One of the most powerful tools a believer has is tawakkul, trust in Allah. Even when things don't go our way, we must remember that Allah's wisdom is far greater than ours. He sees what we do not see and knows what is best for us. Allah osteth. It may be that you dislike a thing and it is good for you, and that you love a thing and it is bad for you. Allah knows while you do not know. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:21-6. When you feel overwhelmed, remind yourself that Allah is in control. Say, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposers of affairs. Every difficulty teaches us something. When Prophet Yusuf was thrown into the well, then imprisoned unjustly, he remained patient, and eventually Allah elevated him to a position of honor. Your hardship is shaping you into a stronger, wiser, and more faithful believer. Instead of asking, why me? Ask, what is Allah teaching me? Even in hardships, there are blessings. Sometimes Allah removes something from your life to replace it with something better. Gratitude brings peace, even in difficulty. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. Surah Ibrahim 14:7. Look for the good in every situation and thank Allah for the countless blessings you still have. Dear brothers and sisters, no hardship lasts forever. Allah loves you and He will never burden you beyond what you can bear. Keep praying, keep trusting, and keep moving forward with patience and hope. May Allah grant us strength in difficult times, patience in hardship, and ease after every difficulty. Ameen. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.